Hello, my name is Vicki Chandler with Keller Williams Realty, serving the San Jose and Santa Clara County areas of Northern California. And today I wanted to introduce you to a very nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the Alum Rock area of San Jose at 3545 Oakleaf Drive, valued at $350,000. Okay, so as you could see, the house looks nice from the front. This is the backyard, very clean and ready for you to do something fun with. There's a gate showing you the backyard and a terraced area behind the home. One of the bedrooms, another bedroom, the bathroom, which looks like it's been completely redone, another bedroom. The living room area looks like it has a new mantle, bathroom, kitchen, and my guess is that there is some, that's the pantry, and there are some granite counters in that kitchen, but we're not going to see it, unfortunately, with this particular group of photos. If you would like to see this home as well as thousands of others, go to stunningsanjosehomes.com and sign up for our free premium home search service. This enables you to search the largest listing database in Northern California. You get up-to-the-minute information on real estate, mortgage assistance, the ability to track your favorites, see property details, photos, school information, maps, and much more. And you receive an email alert daily that lets you know about properties that match your search criteria. That's stunningsanjosehomes.com. And if you want to see this home in person, I will be more than happy to schedule a private showing. Call me at 408-839-2125. And whatever you do, make it a great day. Bye.